Another very useful functionality is transcribing text. Basically, with the OpenAI API, it is possible to transcribe text, which is nothing more than converting speech to text, audio to written text. This is done using the Whisper model. Whisper is a general purpose speech recognition model. The model is actually called Whisper 1. And there's an open source version as well. It's pretty much the same. When you're transcribing text, you can set the temperature to control how creative the model gets. Creating a transcription is pretty straightforward. You just need to provide the file, the model, and optionally a prompt to guide the style. Then the format, which is JSON, that's what we've been working with, and the temperature to control the creativity. Let me show you with a demo. In O9 transcription, I have this MP3 file. Just listen to it.
Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.
Now, let's transcribe it. First, with the API. So, the usual, the imports, the key, and then this is the endpoint, /audio/transcription. I pass the file and specify the model. I make the call, and there it is. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. That's pretty good, and it's very useful if you combine it with other functionalities in the API. More on this in a future module. Before moving forward, let me just show you the sample with the library. It's just a call to audio.transcribe. I specify the model and the audio file. I execute, and here it is.